Hi dears, last class we discussed about the division of fraction, that is one fraction and one whole number. That too we divided in the last class. So today we are going to study the division of two fractions, that is one fraction and another fraction we are going to divide. Okay, so come to the class. In your textbook there is a subheading that fraction divided by fraction. To divide a fraction by a fraction, two steps they have provided, that is multiply and simplify. This is routine. This is the same step we are doing in all cases. Okay, so you don't want to write the notes specify for this. All steps are same. So we can discuss the exercise questions. As we have done in the same as that we have done in the previous problem, that is whole number and fraction, division of whole number and fraction, same as the case we are doing in this fraction also, that is this division also. That is when a fraction is dividing by another fraction, what we want to do? Yeah, that word reciprocal. Suppose in the exercise question itself, 3 by 9 is dividing with 3 by 5. Okay, suppose 3 by 9 is dividing with 3 by 5. What we want to first? We want to write the same first fraction 3 by 9. Instead of this division, we want to write multiplication. Okay, multiplication. While doing the multiplication, what will happen to the second fraction? Yeah, that is, we want to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? Yeah, that is 5 by 3. Okay, first we write the same fractions, then instead of this division we write multiplication. By writing the multiplication, don't forget to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, so the reciprocal of the 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Next we want to check what all numbers we want to cut here. The same number, whether any same number or multiples of the number are there in the numerator or denominator. Here 3 is there, 1 3 is there here. So we can cut this. So what will be the answer? The numerator remains 5 and the denominator remains 9. So 5 by 9 will be the answer. Okay, so next question. 3 divided by 6 by 5. Here 3 is an whole number. We want to write that in the fraction form. Is it? So we can write that 3 as 3 by 1. Okay, instead of this division we can write multiplication into reciprocal of 6 by 5, that is 5 by 6. Here denominator contains 6 and numerator contains the 3, that is 6 is a multiple of 3. So we can cut 3 and 6 we can cut and we can write here 2, that is 3 2s are 6. Okay, so in the numerator 1 into 5, 5 and in the denominator 1 into 2, 2. So 5 by 2 will be the, is the 5 by 2 will be the answer? No. Why? Because here numerator is greater than. If the answer is we are getting in the improper fraction, we want to convert that to mixed fraction. Last class we studied how we want to convert this mixed to improper and improper to mixed. Here this is an improper fraction, so we want to convert this improper to mixed by dividing. Yeah, that is 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. So how can we write? Quotient plus remainder divided by dividend. That is, here quotient is 2 plus 1. Remainder is 1 divided by 2. So 2, 1 by 2 will be the answer. We know that half of 5 is 2 and half. That is 2 and half. Okay, so we get the answer. Next we can do, similarly we can do the previous problem, the next problem also. 8 divided by 17 divided by 4 by 18. And next 2 by 7 divided by 1 by 7. The next 7 divided by 10 by 4. Next 6 by 9 divided by 2 by 8. Okay, we can do this 4 problem now. That is, first what we want to do? We want to write the same first fraction. That is 8 by 17. Next, instead of this division, what we want to write? What we want to write? Yeah, that is multiplication. Then the coming fractions we want to write the reciprocal of that fraction. So here instead of the division we want to write to multiplication. Then 4 by 18 will be 18 by 4. Okay, then 4 and 8 we can cut. Because what will be here? 2. We know that 4 2s are 8. 4 and 8 we can cut and write 2. Okay, so here remaining 18 into 2. What is 18 into 2? Yeah, that is 36. 18, that is double of 18. Okay, 2 18s are 36. Then here what is remaining there in the denominator? That is 17. Here, can we stop the? No. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. That is, it is an improper fraction. So, we want to convert that improper fraction to mixed fraction. So, it can be, that is 36 divided by 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are 34. Remainder is 2. Okay, so can we, this we can write quotient 2, the remainder 2 by here 17. 2 by 17 will be the answer. Okay, the next question, that is 2 by 7 divided by 1 by 7. In that case, we want to write the first fraction, that is 2 by 7. And instead of this division, we want to write the multiplication into, and the reciprocal of 1 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 7? 7 itself. If you have any doubt, you can write the this numerator as a denominator also, no problem. Okay, so here 7 and 7 cutting, what will be remaining there? 2 will be the answer. Okay, the next question, 7 divided by 10 by 4. Here we can write, if you have any doubt, only if you have any doubt, you can write the 7 as 7 by 1. Okay, if it is no problem. Okay, so in this division is changing to multiplication, and 10 by 4 will be, we want to write it as the reciprocal, that is 4 by 10. Okay, 4 by 10. Here you may be thinking that 10 is not the multiple of 7 or 4. So you may be thinking that we don't want to cut here. But one thing we want to keep in mind, that this 4 we can write. This 4 we can write 2 into 2. And instead of that 10 we can write 5 into 2. Is it? That is 2 into 2 means 4 and 5 into 2 means 10. So here 2 and 2 we can cut. What will be remaining there? 2 by 5. So 7 into 2 by 5. Okay, 7 2s are 14. Then denominator is 5. Did you feel in doubt? Confused? Once again I will show you. This 7 we are writing 7 by 1. Instead of this division we can write multiplication. Okay. Instead of this division we can write multiplication. Then 10 by 4 is the reciprocal we want to write, that is 4 by 10. Okay, 4 means 2 into 2. 10 means 5 into 2. So, same numbers are there in the numerator and denominator, that is 2. Is it? So, this we can remove, that remaining is 2 by 5. That is, here we can cut with 2. Here also we can cut with 2. What will be remaining there? 5. So, 7 into 2, 14. 5 into 1, 5. Okay, got it. 14 by 5 is an improper fraction. So, we can write 14 as, that is 14 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. The remainder 14 minus 10, that is 4. So we can write here quotient 2, remainder 4 divided by 5. 2 4 by 5. Okay, so in this case, next question, 6 by 9 divided by 2 by 8, that is 6 by 9. Instead of this division, multiplication, instead of 2 by 8, we want to write as 8 by 2. Okay, then next cancelling. 8 by 2 means what? 8 by 2 means 4. Okay, then 6 and 9, both numbers, one common number is there. That is 3 into 2 is 6. That is 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. So here, 1 3 and 1 3 cutting from the numerator and denominator. What will be remaining there? 2 by 3. Okay, so 6 and 9 we can cut and write it as 2 by 3. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4 are 8, and here 3 Only 3 will be remaining in the denominator, that is 3. So now the answer is 8 by 3. Can we stop there? No. Why? Because this is an improper fraction. So we want to convert this 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, remainder is 2. So quotient 2, remainder 2, divided by dividend, that is 3. So 2 by 3 will be the answer. Okay. So next question. 1 by 15 divided by 50. Then 3 by 5 divided by 6 by 7. Then next 6 by 9 divided by 6 by 8. Then 1 by 2 divided by 2. Same as the previous we can do. 1 by 15. Instead of this division, multiplication. Instead of 15, what is the reciprocal of 15? 1 by 15. Okay, so here direct multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. 15 into 15, that is 225. 15 square, 225. So here this is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert to any other mixed fraction. Okay. So here 1 by 225 will be the answer. Next case, 3 by 5. Instead of this division, multiplication. Instead of 6 by 7, 7 by 6. Okay, so 3 and 6 we can cut and write it as 2. Okay, so here 7 into 1, 7. Divide by 5 2s are 10. This is also proper fraction. Then 6 by 9. Instead of this division, multiplication. Instead of 6 by 8, 8 by 6. Okay, here numerator and denominator contains 6, so we can cut. So remaining will be 8 by 9. Here also numerator is less than denominator, so no need of any conversions. Okay, the next 1 by 2. Instead of this division, multiplication. Instead of 2, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. 1 into 1, 1, and divided by 2 into 2, 4. So 1 by 4 will be the answer. Okay, so in these 4 cases, here no need of the conversion. Why? Because this is already the proper fraction. Okay, now we studied, in this chapter we studied, first we studied the multiplication of fractions. That is whole number fractions, like that we studied, mixed fraction and all. Then next part we studied the division of fractions. Okay, so now we study this fractions multiplication and fractions division separately. Okay, so now we are going to study if this operation is coming together. That is, in an operation, in a numerical expressions we studied is that were plus, minus, division, multiplication. This all was there. So, if the multiplication and division are coming together, what we want to do, that we can discuss here. Okay, 6 by 10 divided by 9 by 108 divided by 2 by 5. In such cases, what we want to do is that first we want to reduce this fraction to this equivalent fraction, least form of that fraction. Okay, so here 6 by 10. We know that 6 and 10 are the multiple of 2. Okay, so here 6 and 10 we can cut and we can write it as 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay, like that 9 by 108, that also we can cut. That is, we know that 108 is the multiple of 9. Just to divide it. 108 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, remaining 1 and carrying 8. 9 twos are 18. Okay, so here 12. 9 and 108 we can cut and write as 12. Okay, so the new fraction we got is 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 12 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, so first we can do the first step, that is first division. 3 by 5 into 1 by 12 means 12. Here instead of this 12 we write, again division is there, so we want to write it as multiplication into, and then 2 by 5 we want to write the reciprocal of 5 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? That is 5 by 2. Next, in the denominator 1 5 is there. Here also 1 5 is there. That we cut. The next, in the numerator 12 is there. Denominator 2 is there. That also we can cut. Then we can write as 6. So what will be remaining? 3 into 6. 3 6 are 80. The next question, 4 by 4 divided by 64 by 4 divided by 2 by 4. In this case, first we want to, I said that first we want to write to the least form. Okay, this 4 by 4, that means 1. 4 by 4, you know, which if the numerator and denominators are the same number, then what will be the answer? 1. Okay, so 4 by 4 means 1. We divided by 64 by 4. We know, does 64 is a multiple of 4? If you don't know, just draw this, do that in the workspace. 4 ones are 4, then remainder 2, then 4 again. 4 6 are 24. So 16. Okay, this and this also we can cut and we can write as 16. 1 divided by 16 divided by 2 by 4 means this we can cut, that is 1 by 2. Okay, if you don't know cutting, you don't want to worry, that is, instead of this we can write like this, 4 by 4 into this 64 by 4, we want to write the reciprocal of 64 by 4, that is 4 by 64, into this 2 by 4, we want to write as 4 by 2. Okay, that is reciprocal of 2 by 4. So here 4 and 4 we can cut, and here 4 and 64 we can cut it as 16. And here 4 and 2 is there, that also we can cut. 2 and 16 is there, that we can cut. So what will be the answer? Here 8 is there, numerator 1 and denominator 8. Okay, no problem. Here, this we can, this we done through without cutting, that is without converting to the least form first. This, if we are converting this to the least form, it will be more easy to do. No careless mistakes will be there. Okay, so we can do in this way. That is 1 divided. Instead of division, multiplication. Reciprocal of 16. 1 by 16. Instead of division, multiplication. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. That is 2 and 16 we can cut and we can write it as 8. So 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 8 into 1, that is 8. So 1 by 8 will be the answer. The same answer we got in the previous case also. Okay. So next question. Two by 7 divided by 2 by 12 divided by 3 by 8. Here 2 by 7 itself. 2 by 8 we can write it as 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 8 itself. Next 2 by 7, instead of division, multiplication. 1 by 6 will be 6 by 1, division will be multiplication, 3 by 8 will be 8 by 3. Okay, am I speed? Because a lot of questions we have done, now we are usual, now we thorough with this. Okay, so cutting, next we want to cut this, 3 and 6 we can cut it and write as 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 4, that is what is 2 into 2 into 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 8s are 32. Denominator 7 into 1 into 1, that is 7. Thus we want to convert this, that is, this is an improper fraction. So 32 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. Then the remainder is 4. Okay, so this we can write 4 by 7. Okay, this will be the answer. The next question, 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 84 divided by 1 by 2. 3 by 5 itself. Instead of division, multiplication. 7 by 84, 7 and 84 we can cut. 7 12s are 84. Okay, so 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 2. So next conversion, 3 by 5. Instead of division, multiplication, 1 by 2 will be 12 into 1 by 2 will be 2. Okay, nothing is there to cut. Here, no multiples, and the multiples of 5 is not there in the numerator, so just we want to write this. 3 12s are 36, 36 into 2, that is 72 divided by 5. So 72 by 5 is an improper fraction. So we want to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So So like for that, 5 ones are 5, then remainder is 2, then again 2 is 4 5s are 20, then remainder is 2. So then quotient is 14, remainder 2, divide by dividend 5. So 14, 2 by 5 will be the answer. So next question, 2 by 9 divide by 3 by 54 divide by 1 by 3. That is 2 by 9 instead of division multiplication. 54 is a multiple of 3. Yeah, that is. Yeah, 54 is the multiple of 3. That is, if we are dividing 54 with 3, we will get the answer as 18. So with this we can cut. That is here 18 will be there. Okay, so here 2 by 9 itself, instead of division we wrote that here multiplication. Then 1 by 18, reciprocal of 1 by 18 is 18. Divide instead of division multiplication, 1 by 3 will be 3. So 9 and 18 we can cut it as, write 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are, 4 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 will be the answer. The next, 5 by 9 divided by 19 by 9 divided by 12 by 13. Here, there is no relation between the numerators and denominators here, so we don't want to eliminate, we don't want to convert that to the least form. Okay, so 5 by 9, instead of division multiplication, 9 by 19 into 13 by 12. Any doubt? Instead of division multiplication, this we have right reciprocal of this. Okay, now we are going to cut 9 and 9 we can cut. So 5 into 13. 5 13s are 65. You just multiply, then you can. 19 into 12. 19 into 12 is 228. So this will be the answer. We don't want to convert this because this is a proper fraction. Next question. 1 by 4 divided by 4 by 15 divided by 1 by 5. 9 by 4 divided by 8 by 32 divided by 1 by 20. Next, 2 by 7 divided by 40 by 2 divided by 1 by 10. This case, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 itself. 4 by 15 instead of division multiplication, 4 by 15 will be 15 by 4 into 1 by 5 will be 5 by 1. Here nothing is there to cut, so we can write that directly. 15 into 5. What is 15 into 5? What is 15 into 5? 15 into 5, 5 5s are 25 carry into 5 1s are 5 7 plus 2 7. 75 divided by 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. This is an improper fraction that we want to convert to mixed fraction, that you do alone. Okay, the next 9 by 4 division converting to multiplication, 8 by 32. From here itself we can cut. We know that 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. So 1 by 4, that we can write 4 by 1. Into 1 by 20 means 20 by 1. Okay, this 4 and 20 we can cut it and write as 5. We know that 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here 4 5s are 20. 20 into 9, 180. Divided by nothing is there, so 180 will be the answer. Okay, the next question. 2 by 7. Instead of division multiplication, 40 by 2, that we know 20. What is the reciprocal of 20? 1 by 20 into 1 by 10 reciprocal 10. 10 and 20 we can cut 2. 2 and 2 we can cut. So what will be remaining? 1 by 7 will be the 1 and 7. 1 by 7 will be remaining there. The next two questions, it will be more confusing to you. That is why we can do that last. Listen properly. Listen carefully. 1 by 4 into 3 by 8 into 9 by 2. In this case, what we want to do, which we want to do first? In the first class we studied that BD-Mass rule. That is, we want to give the first preference to bracket. Here bracket is there. So we want to do the first operations inside the bracket. What is the operation inside the bracket? That is 1 by 4 into 3 by 8. Okay, so we can do that. Here nothing is there to cut. So 1 into 3, 3, 4 into 4 is a 32 into 9 by 2. Here anything to cut? No, nothing is there. 3 nines are 27. Divide by 32 into 2, 64. So here 27 divided by 64 will be the answer. Easy question it is, but only want to think that first you want to multiply this. Why you want to get this practice? You know why? If it is addition is there, it will be the answer will be wrong while you are multiplying this first. Okay. Okay, so you want to do like this. The next question. 3 by 3 into 1 by 3 divided by 9 by 10. In this case, we want to do the bracket inside first. That is 3 by 3 means 1, that we know. 1 into 1 by 3 divided by 9 by 10. 1 into 1 by 3. Which number we are multiplying with 1? The answer will be that same number. So 1 by 3 will be, instead of division, multiplication. 9 by 10 will be 10 by 9. So the answer will be 10 into 1, 10. 3 nines are 27. 10 by 27 will be the 10 by 27 will be the answer. Okay, so we have done the exercise 2.2. Some questions we have done. Remaining questions I am giving you as the homework. We have done a lot of similar problems and now we get it. We studied that properly now itself. You don't want to worry about the problem. How a lot of problems are there for homework, so you don't want to worry. We have done a lot of problems in the class itself. So do that alone. While you feel any doubt, watch this video again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so hope all of you got this. So we can meet in the next class with a new topic. Okay, till then, bye.